Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to roast the perfect mushrooms. These mushrooms make a great healthy side dish or a steak topper or an appetizer. If you're going to use them as an appetizer, just serve some bread so you can sop up some of that garlic butter sauce. First thing we're going to do is heat the oven to 450 degrees. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe you're going to need 1 pound of mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a teaspoon of thyme and minced garlic, and a tablespoon of oil. In a large bowl, we're going to put our mushrooms. We're going to drizzle it with our oil, our garlic, our thyme, and salt and pepper. And we're going to toss these till it's evenly coated. Now in a baking dish or roasting dish, we're going to place them stem side up. Just like so. And we're going to drizzle it with our butter, and we're going to place them in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes or until they're golden brown. Now our mushrooms are done. Now we're going to let them cool for just a minute and we're going to plate these up. Now to plate these up, we're just going to take them, we're going to arrange them nicely on our plate. You don't have to get too fancy with them. And we're going to strain off some of this delicious garlic butter into a side dish to serve them in. There you go. Now let's get a taste of these. This garlic butter. Man, those are so good. They're perfectly seasoned. You get the garlic and the thyme. The garlic butter makes an excellent dipping sauce. The mushrooms are really earthy. They have that roasted nuttiness to them. They're really good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything. If you want to check out our Facebook and Instagram, it's HomeHeadChef. You can also support the channel over at Patreon. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.